Located within the installation folder for Vue, within the environment folder, you'll find several material files, and these are all of the default materials for various objects throughout the scenes. So if you want to make modifications to all of the default surfaces that come up whenever you create objects, different types of objects, this is where you can change them just by opening the materials and making modifications, or saving over these ones. So you don't necessarily have to open these materials, you can just save and overwrite them. That mostly includes the default material. Whenever you create an object, a default material is applied, and that is within this folder as the default. If you want to edit the default water and overwrite that, the best thing to do is go to File Options and show the sea level 3D views, and that way you can select the object and its default surface. Although in order to permanently change this material, you do need to save the scene default. So if you go to File Options, General Preferences, after you change that sea level object, you can set the default scene. And this is primarily so you can go through the individual channels of the material and set individual sizes. If we go into the options for the material, you'll see the preview options for background color, object size, and all of these different options you can set per channel within the function editor. So you can have separate previews set up for each individual output. And that way, if there's certain ways or things you like to work with, as far as colors for the background, or functions you want set up for individual channels as a default, you can set all that up and override everything. So just a little tweak to the defaults, kind of a neat customization you can do.